Um, Pardon me for the background noises. There's a lot of traffic where I am at. Okay, so this video I'll be explaining whether you can use a battery pack, something like this, which has an RCA output in a machine which doesn't have an RCA connection. So this is my Stealth Pro, as I've done a review on it previously. So it has a clip cord kind of a connection and there's no RCA. And these battery packs, this has an RCA connection. So can you use this with this machine? And the answer is yes, you can. And how? I'll show you. So you need to buy a regular clip cord. I've just wrapped it up in plastic. So you've got your clip cord, which comes with the jack connection, which goes into your power supply. So I've cut it off and I've attached an RCA pin or RCA jack, whatever you call it. It's a female jack and this is a male jack. So you just plug this in into the battery pack. So after you plug it in, you have to wrap it in plastic. Take your clip cord and connect it into the Stealth or whichever machine which doesn't have an RCA connection. Now, does it work? Yes, it does. It works. So I can increase or decrease. And it works fine. It works. I mean, I've been using it like this with this kind of a setup, and I've been using it for at least 5 hours. That's how much this battery lasts, and it just works the same. See, there's no rocket science. People are trying to sell you stuff which you don't need. So I've bought this just in case there's a power outage and there's some kind of an issue where I cannot go ahead. So I don't want to stop midway. That's why I've bought this battery pack. It's from Wrath. And if you want me to make a review on this, I don't think it needs any kind of a review. It's good. It takes a little bit of time to charge. Once it's 100%, then I run the machine basically at 5 volts to 6 volts max. I don't go above that. 6.5 if I'm lining with the larger grouping needle. But apart from that, with the 5 volt supply, I can run it up to around maybe 5 hours easily. And yeah, this has to be wrapped. Everything has to be wrapped just for safety. I cannot stress more on that. And yeah, it's not given any kind of an issue. Does it work with a coil machine? I don't know. I haven't tried it out, but let me just give it a try. So here's my coil machine, and this is the first time I'm trying it actually. I don't know whether it'll spoil the coils, but hopefully not. So here goes. No, it doesn't work with a coil machine. So only rotaries. Oh, I'm sorry. The connection was not done. So let's try once again. Okay. It should work actually. Yes, it does. It does work. So it does work with a coil machine as well, but I wouldn't recommend you using it with a coil. Go for the rotary. Connect this with the rotary and you can use it easily. And whenever, one more thing I had to mention, whenever you're keeping your coils, when you're not using it, just take this off. Not completely, just leave it like that, so that you don't have to keep changing it every now and then. It lasts a little longer. Plus, I pull it back because it puts a bend in the spring. It reduces the tension, so I just pull it back. So whenever I'm back tattooing, I just keep it and then tighten it. Cool. I'll just put back my coil. Okay, so this I'm not sure how much it costs me. I think it was around 3,000 or 2,500, something like that. I'm not really sure. The 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 clip cord, I wouldn't recommend you to use a clip cord because it gives a lot of problems. So I've converted all my machine into a an RCA jack. uh, you can just plug in your RCA cable into the coils as well, but yeah, this I just wanted to keep it with the clip cord connection. And I've been using the battery pack, doesn't give any kind of an issue. So it's simple. If you don't know how to make this connection, if you don't know how to take off the jack and replace it with this plug, or whatever pin or whatever you call it, you can just find it on Google. There's just two terminals. You have to connect the two cables into those two terminals. That's all. There's no rocket science in that. See, this is what it is. It's all simple. People are making it complicated. You don't have to do all that. You don't need certain things. You can just use your brains and use it. All the machine needs is a connection, A and B, positive and negative, or whatever. This machine gives out the power supply. You have to connect the power supply and channel it into your machine. How do you do that? Clip cord, RCA cable, RCA jack, connect it into the power supply. It works just fine. uh, if you have any other questions, put down in the comment section. There'll be another video.